Hey everyone, thanks for clicking. Feel free to follow us on SoundCloud, and if you'd like, you can subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave some comments below.
Here at 9CI, we like to mix it up a little bit by adding a little bit of technology with artistic flair. Here you see some laser printing on wood of our new logo. You'd be surprised what you can make. Lots of fun stuff.
Thanks for sticking with us. I hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to visit us at www.9ci.ca, and if you would like, you can also hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever we make new videos. Thank you.